still going.
What does everybody do? He's supposed to stop.
Okay, this is crazy right now. This is crazy. We're just having an earthquake right now. Believe it or not. Right here in Te Awamutu, of all places.
It's still going.
I thought it was me, bro.
Can you feel it?
It is still going.
It's still going.
There you go. There's our blinds that are moving. We need to get the heck out of here, don't we?
Our lives in order, sweeties.
Hey,
Let's see if anyone else felt it.
this is crazy.
I said, did you hear me? I said, our lives are in order, sweeties. No problem.
So we're just having an earthquake right now. I can't believe it. Our building is actually moving.
I have checked your figures and we agree with your calculations. We've also checked the figures that were calculated last year and identified the error, so thanks for all your help. With this matter, it is greatly
We go for a walk around.
right, doesn't it, mate? Yeah. To avoid any confusion with regard to the version number, I will, within the next few minutes,
That was weird. I thought it was just me. I was getting dizzy at my computer. Anything? Was that just me?
No!
Wow. Tell everyone. Tell the world we just had an earthquake in Te Awamutu.
We just had an earthquake in Te Awamutu.
There you go. It wasn't just me.
Could be.
It was freaky.
Yep, yep.
Exciting. It's the first time I've ever found an earthquake.
Damn, that's too close to home.
No, it's all up now with procurement and Michelle's going through and making the changes online, so we should be okay.
What to do in the event of an earthquake, and then next one go we're like, exciting.
This is crazy.